Welcome, today in front of me ALCATEL 1 2022 and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and after that tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone button panel. Now just to mute your device ringtone, you should slide the blue dot to the left side with your finger. Also have the second way how you can do that, just press up or down volume button here on the right side of your device. And after that just tap here on the settings icon. You will see the same volume panels here, and just to mute your device ringtone you should slide by the same way the ringtone volume panel to the left, and then just to click to down to save all the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.